Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to Sheriff's Kitchen. Today we're going to be seeing grilled orange chicken. For this preparation, we're going to chop some rosemary and we're also going to get the zest of a couple of oranges. We can squeeze those oranges and get the juice out of it as well. And let's prepare the marinade. So add the juice squeezed out of the oranges to a bowl, and to that add the orange zest as well as the chopped rosemary. To this we are going to be adding 1 heaped tablespoon of paprika powder, salt. We're going to add a little bit more salt to balance the sweetness of the orange, and add ginger garlic paste, about 1.5 tablespoons. Mix this really well, and we are going to be coating our chicken and let it marinate on this marinade for almost 6 hours. Slowly add your chicken. So what we have done here is we have taken the chicken breast and butterflied it. Basically cut the chicken breast into half sidewise. Now if you think this is very thick and you want to cook much faster, you can pound the chicken with a meat mallet, but it's not required. But if you want to do it in a much faster manner, you can do that. Now marinate this chicken, keep it in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, and take it out at least an hour before you cook. To a grill pan, add some oil. Once you can see smoke coming out, add the chicken. Make sure the heat is kept in medium low. That way the meat cooks evenly from out to in. Right, so cook it gradually. Do not flip the meat until it's completely cooked from one side. It will take about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes to cook from one side. Then flip it over so that the meat doesn't get stuck to the pan. Use a rosemary stalk and get the oil that's on the pan and glaze it on top of the chicken. This will add some flavors, and you will realize it when you bite the chicken. Once that's done, to the same pan you can add some vegetables. So today we have taken some carrots. With that we are also going to add some broccolis. Once the carrot and broccoli is a little bit cooked, you can add some green beans. When that's done, you can add some bell peppers. Please follow the order because the bell peppers are very tender and it will cook much faster. Make sure you season with pepper and salt, and finally add cherry tomatoes. And you don't need to cook the tomatoes for a longer period of time. Then transfer to a bowl, and then you can serve this with your grilled chicken. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, give me your feedback, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.